I don't really care. I'm carefree, free will. I slay my demon. I don't live with a demon. I don't lay down like that. I see my state of mind, how I make my life. I don't ask, just leave me alone with my demons. How far it takes before you realize you lost a light from above. You cannot see paradise when you swallow. Do you taste ashes? Do you cleanse this moment of my life? I see clairvoyant, a crystal clear mind. How far is this demon's gonna take it? Are they gonna make excuses? Say it's somebody else, brush it off, say it ain't me. It's my life, I do what I want. But if you open that doors, open that blinds, can you see the big world? When your house get possessed and needs an ecstasy from this demon. So I preach it so much, like zero beef. Slay this demons, cut it down. This death melody of a chaos, of a son of calamity, like I'm avoiding this in my life. Save me so, show me a hero. Do you know when I'm speaking? Does it sound like mumbo jumbo, like the demons taking over? Possession, a cough, a evil cough. Do you know when it's too late? You're not a person, you're a demon. Do you know how to live like this? Do you notice your life when it's too late? You reach the end of the road, the crossroad. Does it even matter? I say, can you see the light in the end of the tunnel? Have you found your happy place by making your bed and dreaming like a phobia of a nightmare for laying with your demons? Can you even see the light? Does it burn? Does it melt? What can I say? As it'll be anymore before it's too late. The decoration, the misery, depression, the weird force, the overspeaking with madness, lost your heartbeat, racing. Or just lay it down, leave it go. You're a person, not a demon. Before you're too late, you cannot realize anymore. You drank from the demon's cup, and it wasn't a trophy. It wasn't crossing the finish line. to a holy promise. Instead, it was holy justice. So don't take it to your own hand before it's too late. There's no turning back.